just himself so mwinde mujja mpagire nabina tubitole tukitwala etwaka waliwo omugeni baba obuvuyo bwo tulinda omugeni yavaawo nemale twakola ki
tuweyuzayo
bajakwa bati abasoga wena ojja kuba ngoli musoga ngoli just musamuje mumpagire gomina kudomweza 3 gomunana tuduze lugo wicket over yeah tuna tukola ebyafaayo byaife tujja kumena record oba tujja kola byaife we can prove these people wrong.
Export TV to the world.
Tipu chamuka but nga bwakobeire nti kyali kya moyo gwa busoga okitegeera ayenda obusoga ba managers be tuli basoga twakoba nti no let's accept we serve the kingdom but bwe bwakya kunjo ng'amaze okulonda bamaze n'okumutiikira omukazi oyo yavaayo yakoba ati nze nonza asidiki management ezira kyenyendeza ayi nga management jayagende na asidiki already asidiki is a trending artist at the moment obo kitegeera yaida yatawa yayenda abaga amateeka nze asidiki wemwendera wemufunira asidiki nze tidiringa na management todiringa na management like is that being human nga omuntu
atenga ino surviving
obo kitegeera they are not the fact is maybe nga bamuwanga tidi but according to the way engeri gye mutegeeramu is an honest guy
very humble
very honest that is the fact tiri muwana ntolo okuba ali wano but tifuna nga mubuzibu n'asidiki for the 2 years
nze mukufunze kyembo inemu obuzibu bwe buva honorable Namtamba kutola management ya asidiki mu bintu bya asidiki
no titwenda kubanga the fact is yatuka time yakoba na asidiki nti leka management yo bobango yenda okola nini
what is that dealing na acidic direct
but is that being professional
says because I've had an interaction with a number of artists koba nti omukyalo yayina muka arrogance
that is the fact
yayomba n'omwana ono yatuuka wano yamubuuza iwe no radio girina mu shares omwana yamubuuza nti mukama wange wafuuka ali mukama wange wano olinawo
nze ne buli kibakayenda ndogere ku Baba
kiyinza okuba nga kikolwa nga omuntu okaali mugemera mu kikolwa nti kizito kikino aye engeri gy'oyogeire tonation yoleeteiremu ekigambo nga munange kizitowa kyafaananya bundi kyakufaananya bundi okitegeera
Viola, bino byonna nikwenda bikolebwe ayinga the back of our mind tulikuta consideration y'omwana tulina omwembi bulido abendi bakyusanga management tukwenda management oba omuntu aveku okwawukana kw'omwembi eri abantu at the end of the day tuwina abantu bangi nti afolize from management yajja mu management B you understand acidic embeera yona eri kujja mu maiso eri muleka wange omwembi eri mukolera bateri mukolera what is the best for our artists nga acidic sadi no wavayo yakuba nti abasoga banabye bati isa ino tulina mama Rebecca Kadaga on board until a politician from Busoga honorable so and so ambelero that would be a good thing okusinga okwira muntu atandika okwesikasika nga abasoga
tunategera
nga support ali kwenda kwa
nga balina n'amaanyi sawa dinagalagira nga balina n'amaanyi agalagira okutolayo posts mama Kadaga datukolere ku pages zi
post diliyo mwata ndikofunye poster
nkobye poster chawo le poster
ku social media
yes post jakoze ku page yomukaire balina n'amaanyi agalagira nti agitole yayi ngate poster
ikukira waliwo olugambo oluliwo now guys nze kituufu kiri nti nze omukazi oyo yamanirira ekyo n'amazima amatuufu I'm a journalist, I'm supposed to be neutral ayeze nanina omusaayi the fact that you're going beyond yabisam ni baba wange gwataide ni mama wange gaji
niwe mazi ekirala
okitegeera so I don't like her aye kambuze kino kyetulikola oba kyalikola
kirekawo omwembi
kyetuwala wa
busoga yes kyenabuuziza nakoze post ku Facebook nabuuza nti kati oboshoboye naawa mulijja kwogera nti mwawagira oba mwasuula munaavayo mwakyogera mwewaana nga katugeze erobye mujja kyogera nti yatulemye
omuntu bw'oba mukulu oyina okwekaikana mwogere aye arrogance eri too much akamaniriro kali waigulu kali mubire eri
na interactinga kuno omukyalo oyo nze mwene namukoba nti okindi omwami ono alina management we invest in, but the fact is bw'onaaba nga oli kwenda kwemalirira mwembi tuba ni program edda ife nga ife management tuba ni booking sedda ife bwe tuba nga tulina booking sedda ife tolijja kuveere okumana nga twendeza obusoga era twenda obusoga yatukubira ku isimu on that very day nga waliwo ekiwulo kya ine bandu okutu invitinga yatukubira isimu nga tuli Kagadi is a 5 hours drive from Kampala otekwenda awana ibiri ekitundu nijamu waku ng'omubaze bw'obanga obibaze it is 7.5 hours drive amazima galindi twagivuga because to respecting obusoga ate twenda obusoga omukulu andese tibona nsonga lwaki tidda batuwe amafuta ga mitwalo aga abiri. So that is what we get from good ministry as an ambassador niche basobola okumuwa meaning atenga ono amafuta ga mitwalo nsanvu ate ba facilitating ati is we management aba funding acidic he's there that's what it wenda kuminvolvinga mu bino because
that's your job at the end of the day.
That is him, but the fact is we are gaining totally nothing from the kingdom as ambassador.
So oba sigalako
is still a win for you.
And yet batwagana nga already nga tutambula namutamba yatwagana nga tutambula.
Now what are allegations ngobwire mutujja passports wali kida Bubabeyo wali allegations ediko bambu we mwavwayo wa mama gambo tibidiko waliwo timu yajayo nga yegayirira mama obutajja okutaba
okoba mama obolintu buzabuza
mama kadanga
teknolozi kana juka mama o
mama wange ali mu kyalo yekolera bibye of course
mama kadanga
kumbere mama kadanga
of course bibamu kuba ekyo tisobola kuchikatiriza because agumawulire gamunda kubanga wagafunaku oli wa mukisa okugafunaku but that is the fact bwe twavaayo emisana enkeera lwaku abakulu balumba ate balina amaani oba obona batuli post gye batukolera ku Facebook eya mama Kadaga bagitolayo kati olwa amaani
as much as we know mama Kadaga azira bwide bwa
social media katugitoleyo bakwesa olukundukundu abakitegeera that is the fact buso eyo group ekyo ndija kukiramu they are fighting tooth and nail making sure anti sheno tebawo because bajanga mobilizing n'abantu okujja mu bantu bene mutajja ku show mwire ku side ya ife the light obudolizi obusoka bakubire buli abaire ku side ya ife Igana Media can witness King wa Bobby can witness Bobby Swagger can witness.
Abana bali pushing a shop social media.
Definitely. Mark the bread can witness abantu abo mukisa Alafat yabatukirira nali bako babaire ku side ya Namutamba mbwaja basitula abatwale wa Namutamba ni Mugabe. That is the fact they recorded them even signs of China recordings they are pereza. Yes, they called him immediately nga bakamala omukubira yankubira. That is Namutamba for you. That is a tourism minister for you. Doing that to Busoga, pull him down.
Now
they are the leaders of PhD. Pull him down.
Mwenda tuidaba pushingirawo abakolenda stage mwenda tuba pushinge buli mwa pushinge mwine
kusonga nindaleyo ze chembo ene Busoga no twinawo kucho butagemagana bulungi ino at the end of the day with consideration y'omwembi waife acidic vocals tukwenda kutegera Busoga sino tunamuchi entalo tuina baganda baifa abasoga bali side Kampala. How is it in Kampala? How is it the other side? Over focus emu na mobilization mugite the side de no atenge no tukaina aganaga chiri chitia kumbe
ati tuli aganaga
ndi Busoga
Busoga
so kayate gwetwile wakabe Busoga niba pushing niba pulling down amazima tiba baba nze timubaze mu bagezi yake era kuncho
ono jana lisiye kubi
nze yake era kuncho nze yakeera kuncho
ayengiddewo
nze yakeera kuncho ninga bantu ga managing acidiki babati bambaze magezi nti bali kwendanga eme busoga kubongerayo
tukowola abantu
mwena abawulirisa tubatumire kwino nze Selector Reason era tuli kubakowola era kuba mwezi jja kuba 3 omwezi guno ogwa acidiki omwezi gwa acidiki gwene guno tujja kuba cricket oval okwingira emitwalo 2 okwingira emitwalo 5 VIP okwingira okutyama ku table y'abantu 6 eri kujja kuba ku bukaire bubiri bwonka mwide tubeeyo tuiduze cricket oval mukitegere nti abanyangole bakikola we can also do it
tufune namba ya booking kubeli abali kwenda okubanga bafuna tables because every time baziramba namba
omusada pastor yatesa maze kubanga terera
ono mwagezi wo
bakwenda munange pastor bwakwenda muganda wange just know this show is a success
ate tuwagira ataituza show
mukitegere kintu ekyo
tufune namba da booking
kwanga tejawa masi
osobola ngayenda okubukinga osobola okubita ku namba eri 0752
872
oyenda kubukinga table oyenda kutegeera osobola n'okunebuuza ku byentambula bijja kuba bitya nakulifalinga ku muntu ali ekikola so ojja kuba ku noti 752
872
asidike ugamba obusembayo maidia
I'm just so sorry for him.
But the opposite.
I know, right? Yes, it's so humble manager.
no nze balinawo ebintu ebyo byogeranga sibyogeranga manager we ekyo ntera okyogera ino yendera okuba webatera okumbuuza ebibuuzo mbyogeranga stakeholder wa music industry kubanga nze mwena mukiiri mbayirewo
kikola sense
just himself mwingi mujja mufagire nabina tubitole tukitwale nti waka waliwo omugenyi baba obuvuyo bwe tulinda omugenyi yavaawo nemale twakolaki bajjakuba bati abasoga wena ojja kuba nga oli musoga mubalimu yasemasa mujja mumpagire gomumina kudomwezi 3 ogw'omunaana tuduze luga cricket over ja tuna tukola ebyafaayo ebyaife tetujja kumena record oba tujja kukola byaife we can prove these people wrong.
Mazima. Yeah. Chijja kuba okay mulina lya Yesu.
Amina. Pasa bagira kumuzindala soka kubitize mu kwesale iyo.
Export TV to the world.